I'm back with new location and it's all greens. So let's go. We started our journey from dust and pollution to beautiful scenes.
हाय हेलो एवरीवन दोनों में लेकिन सब्सक्राइब और लाइक्स दोनों कर लेना। देखते हैं कैसा है जगह, सुंदर है, आने के लायक है या अमेजिंग है। हाँ सीरियसली देखते हैं, चलिए।
I honestly felt in love at the sight. I mean, it's beautiful, right? This place actually has a very beautiful aura. Everything is well green and disciplined. It's located in the army camp of Narengi, so that was obvious. But yes, you will enjoy your day here and you will just love every moment of it, as I did. I love everything about this place, but especially I think ये छोटा सा तालाब मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा. यहाँ डिसिप्लिन है
हाँ,
और इसलिए सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा है.
बहुत सुंदर हवा चल रहा है। हाँ, देखिए अभी
आई मीन बैक कैमरा करके भी दिखा सकते थे, पर
हाँ
ये भी अच्छा है.
नहीं नहीं, हम लोग अगर कैमरे में हम लोग नहीं आए ना तो अच्छा नहीं लगेगा ना, तो ये इसलिए फ्रेम में हम भी है।
This is obviously a place for the golfers, but you can still visit if you're visiting the Mulligan restaurant here. And since this is based in the army camp, you have to remember to bring your Aadhaar card, the real IDs, of course, and you have to put down the details of the vehicles show which you have visited. I think it goes without saying so. This is a rather offbeat location, so you will not find many people here, but I think that's just a plus. And well, it could be a little crowded during Sundays, but on weekdays it's just you and the screens. I enjoyed a lot in this place. I had some quiet and my peaceful time, which I look forward to in my weekends. So this was nice, and I hope you guys like it too. Visit soon. Bye bye.